Welcome to another edition of SBT Bodyweight Training. Today is a Tabata sailing workout featuring again Lauren Kuschner. Let's review the Tabata. The Tabata is 20 seconds of work and 10 seconds of rest with 8 rounds for each movement. We're going to do 4 separate Tabatas, starting with the single leg V-up, alternating legs, opposite hand to opposite leg. Then we will do rotational jumps, 180-degree turn within the jump. You can switch directions going first right, then left. The third Tabata is going to be burpees. Put down into a push-up position, push back up, jump up and touch your hands at the top. You can scale this by doing a no push-up burpee. And lastly, we will do double unders with a jump rope. If you are not proficient with your double unders, you can do double under attempts, or we can go to a single under, which is just one rotation of the rope underneath your feet. And if you still feel like this is too difficult or you don't have a jump rope to use, we can just do jumps, mimicking the jump rope action with the arms and the legs. Again, let's review Tabata, 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest for 8 rounds for each movement. We're going to rest 1 minute between each Tabata. I will follow you through, so just watch the video and complete at your ability. We are going to start now with the single leg V-up Tabata, starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. 20 seconds on the clock. Alternating opposite hand to opposite foot. And rest. 10 seconds of rest. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. And rest. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. And rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Rest. 3, 3, 2, 1, and go. 2 more rounds. Rest. Last round coming up. 3, 2, 1, and go. Finish strong here. And rest. Go ahead and pause the video. We will do a 1-minute rest between Tabatas. Make sure to record your scores. The next Tabata is a rotational jump. We are going to do a 180-degree rotation within each jump. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Rest. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Rest. Three, 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 2, 1, go. Rest. Last 2 rounds of the rotational jumps in 3, 2, 1, and go. Rest. Last round coming up. 3, 2, 1, go. rest. Nice job. Pause the video, 1 minute rest between this Tabata and the next one. The next Tabata is Tabata burpees. Remember, you can go push-up or no push-up depending on your skill level. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Rest. 10 seconds rest. Starting again in 3, 2, 1, go. Rest. 3, 2, 1, and go. Rest. 3, 2, 1, and go. Rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Rest. 3, 2, 1, go. And rest. Last 2 rounds coming up. 3, 2, 1, go. Rest. Last round of burpees coming up. 3, 2, 1, go. Rest. Pause the video here, 1 minute rest between the Tabatas before we start the next one, which is going to be double unders. Grab your jump rope, do single unders, double unders, or just jumps. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Rest. 10 seconds rest. Nice and relaxed. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Rest. Great job. 3, 2, 1, go. Rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Rest. 2 more rounds, last 2 rounds of the workout. 3, 2, 1, go. Rest. Last 10-second rest. 1 more 20-second effort. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Rest. Great job, everybody. Solid effort.
Hey everybody, hope you're able to get in a good workout. I certainly enjoyed this one. This workout by design increased in intensity as we went through those 4 movements. So those single leg V-ups felt pretty good to me in the beginning, although they certainly did start to fatigue by the end of the Tabata movements. And then moving into those jumps, those were certainly challenging just to kind of keep track of what direction I needed to go, but felt pretty good overall. Burpees were the next movement. Those felt good for me. I do enjoy that movement, so just kind of kept going at a solid pace for that movement. Jump ropes is where it hit the fan for me. So intentionally jump roping double unders was the last movement of this series, not only because it really just kind of gets out any additional gas you had in the tank, but it's also just good to have your Achilles and calves totally warmed up by the time you get to a dynamic movement like that. So this workout is specifically good for those of you that are sailing dynamic boats where you need that explosive power, just kind of getting that explosion from the hips and really just kind of focusing in on getting that explosion in, on and off the water.